Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss a new topic, that is phrases. Welcome to Best Solution English classes. Today we will discuss phrase and types of phrases. Now, firstly we know about phrase. A phrase is a group of words that make sense but not complete sense. It is usually part of a larger sentence when we write. A phrase does not have a finite verb. For example, the man in the white shirt is my uncle. Here you can see the underlined part, the man in the white shirt. It is a phrase. In the second example, we took a shortcut through a lane. In this sentence, through a lane is a phrase. Now we talk about types of phrases. There are 5 types of phrases: noun phrase, verb phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase, and prepositional phrase. Now we see adverb phrases. An adverb phrase does the work of an adverb in a sentence. It may include an adverb along with other words like prepositions, nouns, verbs, and modifiers that together do the work of an adverb. It gives us more information about how, when, where, how often, for what reason, and to what degree an action took place. For example, I saw Akash only 2 days ago. In this sentence, only 2 days ago is an adverb phrase. In the second example, after a lot of thought, they came up with a solution. So here, after a lot of thought, it is an adverb phrase. Now we talk about adjective phrases. An adjective phrase does the work of an adjective in a sentence, and you all know about adjective. An adjective modifies a noun or a pronoun. Adjective phrase contains an adjective and any other modifier that may be modifying a noun or a pronoun. Adjective phrases may use prepositions or ing participles to perform the work of an adjective. For example, the boy riding the bicycle looks familiar. Here, riding the bicycle is an adjective phrase with ing participle riding. Next, I want to point out here, we use an adjective phrase beginning with a preposition after a noun to give more information about the noun. Next, we will see noun phrases. A noun refers to a person, place, object, thing, concept, or event. A noun phrase is a phrase that does the work of a noun. It may contain a single noun or a pronoun, or it may have a noun along with its modifiers. For example, those women look very elegant. Here, those women is noun phrase. Here, woman is a noun and those is a modifier. In the next example, the dense forest was home to many animals. Here, the dense forest is a noun phrase and forest is a noun and the dense word is a modifier of noun forest. Next, we talk about prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and is followed by a noun or a noun phrase. It functions either as an adjective or an adverb. The same phrase may function as an adjective or adverb depending on the context. For example, we met some people from Germany. In this sentence, from Germany is a prepositional phrase, but it is working here as an adjective phrase and it is modifying the word people. In the next example, the movement started from Germany. Here, again, from Germany word is used as a prepositional phrase, but it is working here as an adverb phrase and it is modifying the verb started. At last, we will talk about verb phrase. A verb phrase does the work of a verb in a sentence. It consists of a main verb and other words like a modal or auxiliary verb that help the main verb. The main verb usually comes at the end of the verb phrase. For example, we would have come if there was more time. In this sentence, would have come is a verb phrase, but here main verb is come and helping verb is would have. In the next example, he will be waiting for you at the theater. Here, will be waiting is a verb phrase and in verb phrase will be is a helping verb and waiting is a main verb. I hope you all have clearly understood all types of phrases in this video. Thanks for watching my video.